How to play GTA with two players. Hello everyone, this is Neha from Create, Login and Delete, and in this instructional video, I'll be demonstrating the method for playing GTA with two players. It is a very simple and efficient process, so be sure to follow along. The optimal way to play GTA 5 with two players is to establish an invite-only session. To do this, launch the game and enter the story mode. Open the menu, navigate to the Online tab, and start an online session. From there, you'll have the option to create an invite-only matching session. It is crucial to select the invite-only session to ensure that only you and your friends join, and no unfamiliar individuals will be able to join. Once the invite-only session is set up, you can proceed to the Friends tab and send a game invite to your friend. Alternatively, you can go to the Friends tab, join game under your name. This method can be used on any platform and allows you to play with as many friends as you'd like. However, it is the most effective way to play with two players on GTA 5. By playing online, the process becomes more convenient and efficient by ensuring a strong connection between you and your friend, and you'll be able to engage in various activities and can even invite more friends to join. As I mentioned earlier, when starting a mission, you'll typically receive a prompt to begin the mission together, allowing both of you to take part in all the activities. So this is basically on how can you play GTA with two players. I hope this video was helpful in teaching you how to play GTA with two players. If you found this video beneficial, please consider leaving a like and subscribing for the additional quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.